If your Bosch dishwasher suddenly shows the E17 error code and refuses to start a cycle, don't panic. This issue is almost always caused by something simple. In this guide, you'll learn exactly what the code means and how to fix it in just a few easy steps. E17 basically means your dishwasher isn't getting enough water. When it tries to fill at the start of a cycle, the water either comes in too slowly or doesn't come in at all. Luckily, the most common causes are super quick to check. First, take a look at your water supply. Make sure the main water line in your home is turned on. Then find the small valve that feeds water directly to your dishwasher. It's usually under the sink or behind the unit. Turn that valve all the way counterclockwise to fully open it. Even if it looks open, if it's halfway closed, it can seriously limit the water flow. Next, check the water hose connected to the dishwasher. These hoses can easily get bent, kinked, or crushed, especially if the appliance was recently pushed back into place. Gently pull the dishwasher forward and inspect the hose. If it's pinched or twisted, straighten it out and make sure there's enough space behind the unit so it doesn't get squeezed again. If the water supply and hose look good, there's one more place to check: the small filter screen at the connection point on the back of the dishwasher. Unscrew the hose and look inside the inlet. You'll see a tiny mesh filter. Over time, minerals or debris can clog it. Rinse it under running water or clean it with a soft brush, then reattach the hose tightly. Once you've checked the valve, the hose, and the filter, run another cycle. In most cases, the E17 error disappears instantly and your dishwasher goes right back to working normally. If this quick guide helped you get your dishwasher running again, stick around. There's plenty more easy troubleshooting help coming your way.